Excuse me, anyone here?
I'll be right there. Hang on. Okay, yes, sir. Oh, booking card, please.
Yes, and my check.
Oh, not yet.
Is the safari guarantee that I come back alive?
Oh, we guarantee nothing, except the time. Those are actual photos of real dinosaurs taken yesterday, or 60 million years ago if you wish.
The Tyrannosaurus Rex, the biggest goddamn carnivore in history.
Right this way, sir. This is the venue, and your safari guide to the past will be there shortly. This is Mr. Travis, your safari guide to the past. If he says no shooting, no shooting. If you disobey him, there's a penalty of an extra $10,000. Well, I'll leave it to you. Fire grab with the computer card, please. Great game, what you get.
I pride my work on
Shot everything in the world, have you?
everything. There are no new horizons in my life. That's why I came to you.
Choose your weapon. They've all proven they can do the job on dinosaurs, that is. Didn't you write a book? Dinosaurs Right Now?
Me or friend.
Sign this. Your killed were not responsible. We don't time travel to get ourselves killed. Last year, 6 safari deers were killed because a few cowards folded.
I shot every damn animal in the world. Do I look like a coward?
We'll find out. Get him ready.
Out of chars and ashes like golden salamanders. Old ears, green ears will leap. Roses will swoon in the air. White hair turns black. Everything flies back. Flee death. Ha! Let's.
This is a trail laid for you by Time Safari Inc. for your use only. This purpose is to keep you from touching the shore. If you fall off the path, there's a penalty of up to $10,000. Stay on the path and shoot only one animal.
Only one?
Our government does not like us here in the past. We pay big fees to keep our franchise. A time machine can be a killer. We might destroy a roach or a flower and destroy an important link in the future.
Huh. So?
Come on. We kill a mouse here. We kill an entire future family of that mouse, right?
Yes.
And all the families of the families of the mouse. If you step on a mouse here, we kill 1, 10, 1,000, 1,000,000 possible mouse. You, get over here. One of 10 mice, a fox dies. One of a fox, a lion starves. One of a lion, millions of possible life forms cease to exist. The caveman goes hunting, but you, friends, stepped on all his prey. The caveman starves. The caveman dies because you killed all his offspring, eventually killing an entire race of species. Step on a mouse, you leave a footprint like a Grand Canyon, so stay on the path!
Keep off the grass.
I came back yesterday and found them. One of them had a tree falling on him. I timed it just to the last second and shot him just as the tree fell. I shot it because it had no future. You shoot only animals that have no future. Okay? take on the Empire State Building. So watch your step. It's an old kill. It'll be back this way to get us when it's finished. Move forward. Steady forward, slowly and calmly.
It could reach up and touch the moon.
2 minutes when I say fire. Shoot only the nose. You must time it to the nose on the second, okay?
But nobody can kill that. It can't be killed. We were fools to come.
Shut up!
But I never guessed it would be so big.
Just turn around quietly and go back to the machine.
It was never like this. I was always safe. I always won. Somebody get me out.
Echoes, stay on the path. Echoes, stay on the path! Up in the drive now. No! Get over here! Dig out your bullet. With what? Hands! Your hands. Dig out the slit in the bullet. Go! The other bulls. We'll get them with a magnet. Why don't we get those bullets with magnets? Shut up! Hear that? It's friends coming. How'd you like it if I left you here to greet them? Get out of here. Now!